Hey guys, this is David Rauschuber from Craftmade. Today we're going to show you install on our UCI-2000 and also the UCI-2002. They kind of go side by side together because you're just simply adding another controller. So this is what we're going to add. We're going to add it to a standard pull chain fan. So we're going to show you how to install that, how to walk through it. And then also if you want to put it in a clamshell, we're going to show you how to make it a handheld control. And then we're going to show you how to install this into the wall and program it so that it all works together. So hope this helps you out. And okay, so now that you got your plate off, we're going to take the switch out and we're going to install the transmitter. So the transmitter comes with two black wires on the back of it. These two black wires simply make a power loop from this box to the junction box up at the fan. It does not pull any power to function the controller. So make sure that you put the battery here once you're ready to start doing the programming. And the battery comes in the packet. So I'll show you what that looks like. Also, again, as a safety feature, please make sure that you turn the power off at your junction box before you do this so you don't have any electrical shock. One other neat feature about the controller is it has a dim, no dim function. So if your fan comes with dimmable bulbs or non-dimmable bulbs, this is very important. So you want to put it on no dim if the bulbs are not dimmable. So please read your instruction manuals in your fan and see if your bulbs are dimmable or non-dimmable. And then set this accordingly. So if you want to dim, which we're going to do in this feature because we want full functionality, we'll make sure that the switch is on dim. So you can see here that we've made the two black wire connections. So you have your main power feed coming in from the home and making the loop up to the ceiling fan. So that's it. Simply make these two connections and then we'll tuck everything back into the wall and do the programming. Okay, so now that you got everything back in the box and got your plate back on, we're going to install the battery and we're going to install the cover plate. So at this time too, you can go ahead and turn your junction box back on, restore power to the transmitter, and then we'll sync it with the fan. So let's just put in the battery and pop that in real quick, and then we'll put the switch plate cover on. And what's nice about this unit, it comes with three different colors. So it comes with a black, it comes with an ivory, and it comes with the white. So if you're using all white like we've got here, it really makes it nice and neat. If you're doing black switches or ivory switches, some people still have ivory, it's great that it's there in the box for you so everything looks nice and tidy. Okay, so now that we've got everything set up, we've got the control in, we've got the battery in. On the bottom of the switch is an on and off. So what you want to do during this syncing process is we're going to sync the transmitter to the receiver. And how we do that is we go ahead and turn the switch off for a few seconds so that the power is drained. And then we're going to turn it back on. And when we turn it back on, we want to hold the on-off button within 30 seconds of turning the power back on. Also, something to note here is please do not function any other fans or remote controls in your house at this time because it's sending a signal from the transmitter to the receiver and we don't want it to get confused. So we're going to go ahead and do that function. And what's going to happen when I turn the power back on and hold the on and off button down for roughly 5 seconds, maybe give or take a little bit more, is you'll see the light on the fan flash. That means it's received its signal. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So we'll do that, turn the power on, wait a couple of seconds, and then we're going to hold it down. Now you see the fan has functioned. You can let go, and everything is now synced properly, and it won't crosstalk with any other fans in the house. So now you can see we turned the light on. Everything functions great. We can go ahead and do the dimming process. We can do low, medium, and high. So it's really great. So now your pull chain fan has a remote control and functions with full functionality.